Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the third video of a challenge hosted by Domestic Diva 76, and the challenge is 12 weeks fall cleaning challenge. In today's video, the cleaning is gonna take place in the hallway next to the office. Now, I did clean my office a couple of weeks ago, and I'm gonna link that video in the description box down below and in the cards up here. You guys can check it out. In this hallway, I have two closets. One of them was supposed to be my crafting closet, but it kind of turned out a mess, and it became a catch-all closet. And the other one on the other side of the hall is not that bad, but also I wanted to tidy up a little bit. So the first thing I'm doing is taking everything out of the closet, of course, and putting it in an office next door to go through all the papers and all the things that were in, getting rid of everything that I don't need anymore, and sorting the things that I will use. If you guys are not familiar with Domestic Diva 76 channel, you should definitely go ahead and check it out. She has a variety of videos on her channel, ranging from travel videos to cleaning, all sorts of motivation, meal prep, budgeting, and many other great videos. So you guys should definitely check it out. As you can see, I am going through all the paperworks and all the things that have been collected in this closet. Most of the things are either my crafting things or my son's school things. In his closet, in his room, there is no space for such a thing, so I did put some of his school stuff in this closet. And I will be keeping it over here from now on as well. I just want to sort it out a little bit and make it look more functional and nice.
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
This big box over here somehow became full with all kinds of things, a lot of my crafting things, but I do have a big crafting box in the garage, which I'm gonna put all the things in. I will keep inside just things that I use on a regular basis.
Baby, ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right.
Now, putting everything back in the closet, I'm trying to figure out the best possible way to put everything and to make it more functional and to make sense for me, to be easier to grab what I need to grab and to keep it in order if I can. And here I am again using my cute little vacuum cleaner. I really love it and it's perfect for little spaces like this. So this is how I sorted it out. On the top, this is where my son's school pictures and some other pictures are. On the left side, those are empty folders and files. Then in these boxes, as you can see, I put the labels on what's inside of them. Now in this red box and the black boxes on the bottom are my crafting supplies. Over here are the brushes, glue gun, glue sticks, and over here are stencils and all kinds of stickers and beads. And over here are my crafting paints. And that concludes my closet number 1. I love the way it turned out. I know where everything is. It looks nice, neat, and clean and organized. Now I am dusting this small hallway. I am cleaning the doors and also the baseboards and dusting the floors as well. And now onto my second closet, which is really not that bad. There are a few things that I want to get rid of and a few things that are supposed to be in some other place. And that's pretty much it. This closet will be half empty, which is great. I love that there is a place to grow. And that's really it. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I love organizing, that's my passion, and hope this video showed you that and gave you motivation to organize some of your spaces as well. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not part of my channel, I would love to have you, so click that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Check out Sonia's channel, and also don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box down below to see what other participants cleaned and organized this time. Enjoy the rest of the day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.